My Jamart family, how you do? Oh, lovely. You know, after a few months, I'm back in the field. Couldn't wait. Today, I'm with a farmer who's gonna show us something truly special. Her name is Celia in the hills of Kempshot, Jamaica. Just before I dig into the essence of it, I want to do a special shout out to some people. These are the people who are always on the Premier Man. Night or day, hot or rain, dark or sunshine, they're always there. They know themselves. Eileen, Kathy, Dr. Ellis, Blessed Green Chick, namesake Gail, you know, and a bunch of other people are always there. I want a special shout out to you guys. You've been awesome, and I want to thank you for your love and support and your patience while I was taking my little break. So let's go now into Purslane. I'm going to talk to Celia to find out a little more about this superfood. I saw her at the market selling this thing here, the Purslane. To be honest, at that time I had no idea what it was. I got a little more information and did a little more research and found out that this bad boy here is probably one of the most underrated plants. I said to you, don't step on it. Don't step on it yet. It grows wild. I actually just came from in town. I'm in the hills now. Just came from in town and did a little recording because it was right on the side of the road. I did that to show you. This is it. This is it here as well, guys. Wild, growing on the side of the road here in Montego Bay. No joke. This is it. The Purslane. All right, yeah, so that's it, right on the side of the road. But it's not just grown on farms or between other plants. It grows in all the nook and cranny, everywhere. It just takes one little root and it just opens up, you know. So I'm gonna talk to the boss. I'm gonna talk to Miss Celia, who know about this thing. She don't farm it, but it's actually on her farm as a wild weed. But now you're gonna realize that it's not just an ordinary weed. As I said, it has more omega-3. It's loaded with nutrients, more omega-3 than many fish. Let's go over to her. This is she, guys, Celia. Hi, Celia. All right, and we're gonna go to the farm.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Can't wait. Goats. Banana. Sugar cane. Is that sweet potato? This is. Oh, hold on. There's a lot of stuff we pass in here, my friend. So this is pap chow. And this is
Sweet pepper.
what you call it?
Sweet pepper.
No man, this one.
No man, the same pap chow. It's the seed.
This?
Yeah.
This pap chow?
Yeah, that's the seed.
Oh, I thought it was what do you call it? Mustard.
No.
Oh, pap chow. Oh, cool. Okay, interesting. And then this, of course, this is sweet pepper, guys. So stay tuned. More to come. So we're heading into her farm because she has something truly special to share with us today. Lovely callaloo. More cabbage. This is cabbage.
Yeah.
A nice little patch of cabbage here. Big up yourself, Miss Celia. Her water pan. Her this is cocoa. It's cocoa, right? Dasheen. And this is it, guys. This is it. Miss Celia, this is it. This is it right here, the Purslane. You might know it has other names. Some people call it as duckweed or verdaloga. Grows low on the ground here like a weed. But don't be fooled. There it is. Don't be fooled. This is a powerful superfood. Believe it or not. It has more omega-3 than some types of fish. All right, so. All right, so come on, let's go closer, my friend. We're gonna pull. All right, guys, we're gonna pull it and share it with you. Miss Celia now is gonna. This is a nice, juicy, fat one. So you're gonna pull this one. Okay, so you pull up the entire root with this one here. Let's take a look at it. So this is it, and it typically grows no taller than this. Huh?
Just spread wide.
Spread wide, yes, which is what I figure. Look, take a look, guys. Take a deeper look. So this is it. The leaves are, I don't know, oval. Oval? Is that oval? Yeah, but you realize too that they're, I'm not gonna say spongy. I'm gonna say there's a lot of water in them. It's just a lot of water, so it's almost like it retains the water. So it's a little bit rubbery. It's rubbery if you check it. And you were saying to me earlier, it's
Like spinach.
like spinach. Yes. So this is the leaf, and then these are what these are flowers. And actually, I learned later that this is one of the reasons why it is so fruitful. It sells seed, and because of that, it spread quickly. While I wish everybody, people get to learn about these things. So anyway, so this is it. This is how it looks. Break it. You break it, miss. So there you go. You break it. I want to open one. Okay. There you go. Look at the moisture. Look at the water. This is water now. So I squeeze it. I hope you can see. That's water. See? Are you seeing it, guys? Let me know if you're seeing it. All right. So this is it. The leaf is probably gonna be the same thing. All right. You want to take a bite, or you want me to take a bite? Okay. It can be eaten raw, right? All right. So, you bite. You do the bite. Gotta take a bite. Not Nadia. You're used to it. You don't have to take so much, man. Come.
Very crunchy.
Crunchy. That's the word. It's crunchy. Crunchy and a slightly sour, lemony flavor.
You can also eat it for salad.
Yes.
If you like.
Yes. You're right ahead of me. Right ahead of me, because it can be eaten. It can be eaten fresh.
Yeah.
Can be eaten stir fried. Can eat it as a salad, part of your salad.
Yeah, you can use it in your green juice.
Green juice! Man, this lady brilliant, man. Don't take her for granted because she looks so quiet, guys. Yes, green juice. I actually, the first time I bought it from you, I actually make green juice with it, right?
Yeah.
I mix it with some other stuff, and I got spinach. I don't remember, but I got a bunch of stuff, including red callaloo.
Yeah.
You know the red callaloo?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I mix it with the red callaloo and stuff. And a bunch of stuff I make that with it. All right, so let me know. Let me go, guys. How would you eat this? How would you eat this? This bad boy here. I told you about it. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna share a bunch of the health benefits. Right now with you, but I want to hear from you. How would you eat it? So Miss Celia just pluck it out of the ground. See the seed here? She have it abundant here. And remember, this stuff she didn't plant. It just grows wild. And her mommy told her that it's good stuff. So she don't waste it. She don't throw it away. She don't kill them out. And in fact, when she reaping them now to sell, she just break it so that it can replenish, can regrow. So that's what she do. And when she ready, she just pick it and eat it. She says she makes salad with it, green juice with it. But I want to hear how would you use it. Miss Celia, you know what this is? Guys, I'm not gonna ignore when I see these good stuff. When I see these good stuff, I'm not gonna just pass over them. Even though I'm doing a video on Purslane, and there's another one here in between here. Purslane. I can't ignore this. This is shepherd purse. You ever hear about shepherd purse? Yes, that's another powerhouse. Shepherd purse, guys. Shepherd purse. Did you know that, Miss Celia? Celia, I didn't know that, guy. You have all the good stuff here. Shepherd purse. Somebody gonna ask you for shepherd purse. Anyway, let's talk about the health benefits. So, health benefits of the common purslane, guys. So, I think I mentioned to you earlier in the intro that it has one of the most telling or pronounced benefits of this bad boy here is the fact that it's loaded with omega-3. It has more omega-3 than some fish. It is one of the most impressive, actually the plant, certainly the what they call green leafy vegetables that has the most omega-3. Only flaxseed, I think, comes close as a plant. You know, this omega-3, make a note. So when I say don't step on it, I mean it. Don't step on it. It's not as simple as it looks. So in addition to that, though, it has vitamin A, vitamin B, some vitamin B, right? A loaded amount of vitamin C, vitamin E, and minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron. Yeah, what does that mean for us? That means it's great for inflammation, the Celia, blood pressure, sugar, as your mommy tell you, and heart health, and even brain support. So again, superfood, guys. I want to ask you to be careful though. There's another, I mentioned it earlier, there's another plant called the spurge. I don't see the spurge here. I'm going to show you the spurge. All right, hold on a second. Let me get the spurge and show you the spurge. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm telling you about. So this right on the roadside here, and lo and behold, the purslane is here. See, succulent leaves, but right between it is the one we ask you to be careful of. Is this one, spurge. Looks similar, can be very deceptive. This is the spurge, so, but this is not it. This is not the purslane, right? The purslane, you can see, look closer, thicker, broader leaves, and the spurge have similar thin leaves. All right, thin leaves. So that's the difference. That's one of the major difference between the two. So now you know. Now you know. Purslane, and this is the other one, the fake one. All right. So don't mix up the spurge with the purslane. There's a couple of ways to know the difference. Number one, I think I might have showed you earlier. When you break this, you just basically see. I want to make sure you get it right. Right, water, liquid. Right. This is a purslane. The stem's a little bit pinkish, not fully green. What color is this? What would you say? What color is that? Purple. yeah, kind of purplish. Yeah. And the leaves are, as I mentioned earlier, spongy, broader, and thicker than the spurge. The spurge you have to be careful with, because the spurge just say it's poisonous. All right, so you want to make sure you get the right. Oh, this is the seed here. You want to make sure you get the right. Oh, the seed. I didn't. Hold on here. Oh, look at that. Them baby seeds, a lot of seeds. Ah, how could I miss that? Oh, break out one of the seeds for me, my friend. I didn't do. Okay, while Miss Celia is doing that. So anyway, I was saying to you, this is one way to know the difference. The purslane has thicker, more succulent. I'm gonna use the words leaves, and when you break it, you don't see any white, anything like any stain or anything like coming out. Right? You see more water. So I mentioned to you how we can use it. Right? We mentioned. What we say? Remind me again. We say we can.
You can steam it. You can blend it. You can eat it
blend
as
it in
salad.
smoothies.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like yeah. And
Salad.
yes, salad. Mix it with other stuff and I'll make a salad.
And you can boil it for tea.
Boil it for tea. Yeah, boil it for tea. So which part of it do you use? So no. So this is another question. I suspect somebody's gonna ask that question. Which part of the porcelain do you use? So, well, let me hear from you first.
We use everything.
Everything, of course. That's the answer.
We use the one that is young. Without the seeds.
Yes.
Because if you let it grow too long, it go
with a lot of seeds. Yes, yeah.
Have a lot of seeds. But when it is young and just sprung up, you can use everything.
Everything. Yeah, that's the answer. So the leaves, guys, the stem here, and even the root. Nothing no way, something on that way. The purslane, all of it is good. I learned that there's a lady, I watched her on YouTube. She was talking about the purslane as well. She said she used it to make wine. You ever hear anything like this?
No, I don't.
Yeah, she said she make a delicious wine. She said she put some other stuff with it.
Yeah.
But it makes a delicious wine. And the taste, again, guys, we said there's one thing I want to mention that we said it grows everywhere, right? But usually when it's in this kind of soft, moist area here, as you're seeing here, it has a sweeter taste, I'm told. In the drier areas, it's a little bit more tangy.
Yeah, and red.
Yes, that's it. So that's that. But I want you to look out for. I want to hear from you though. I want to hear from you. Did you know that this plant, if you know, first of all, if you know it, let me know if you ever seen it before. And if you did, or if you do, did you know that it does so much? If you're surprised as much as we are, then make sure you hit the like button and share with somebody. Share with somebody right now. Send it to somebody now. right now. I want to big up Miss Celia. A quiet, demure soul. Farming her farm in the hills of Kempshot for how much years? 15 years. And you can see some of the stuff that she's doing here. I mentioned, I show you some of them already. There's callaloo. There's cabbage, right? And peppers. Oh, you have sweet pepper. Not sweet pepper. What pepper name again? Hot pepper. And you can see she has actually, come, let's walk. Let's show them. As a bonus. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you a little bit. You know, I come these places, I can't just come and do purslane, although she have a lot of purslane here. But see, have here cocoa, dasheen. Yeah. So tell me as you go along. So who don't know can learn a little bit. What else?
We have callaloo around here.
This callaloo. Okay, this is the callaloo. Nice, fresh looking callaloo. This is the hot pepper. This is the Scotch bonnet. Yeah. The bad Scotch bonnet where everybody wants. Diaspora run down. This is it. She has it here, guys, in our farm. Fresh Scotch bonnet. Right? I hear a man say, taste and buy. You say taste and buy too?
No. If I can't taste and buy.
You can't taste and buy. Alright, what else do you have? Also, more callaloo. I'm going to talk about the callaloo later, guys. This is yam. Yam head. You cover the yam head them for a reason? For what?
That the sun not destroyed them.
Oh, the sun not destroyed them, okay. And you have yam fine here. You have a ram goat here. I'm preparing for Christmas. My run. A ram goat. My run, man. And the mother got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And you have lots of banana. Mostly Lakatan?
Yeah.
Banana, guys. Banana trees. So these yam you dig already? Can them look dry?
Yeah, man, they dig already.
More purslane. This is lovely. All right.
Planting over there.
Oh, planting. Oh, it's a planting. Okay.
We have dasheen over there.
All right. So let me show off your planting. This is your main source of income, is Celia, right? You're farming, right?
Yeah.
This is it. So guys, people are still doing that, surviving with the farm, which is something I love. This planting can cut soon.
Yeah.
Soon.
Maybe next 3 or 4 weeks.
Weeks? I thought you're gonna say days. Okay. All right. This is lovely. All right. I want you to big up Miss Celia for me, guys. Miss Celia, if anybody is interested, you and I had a discussion earlier about it. Oh, first of all, guys, I learned that the purslane here, you can actually dry it and ground it and use it the same way you use your sprinkler on your food, use it to make tea, all that kind of stuff. So I was asking Miss Celia if somebody's willing, if somebody's asking for it, if she'd be willing to do that. She had a little reservation, but I think her answer is yes. She and I are gonna work together on that. If somebody need it dried, we figure out something. Right? More than likely it's probably gonna be, you know, not a whole batch, small amounts, ounces, or maybe even capsules. We're gonna work on that. So check the description for that. But I'm gonna ask her if there's this or any other product that anybody wants. They're interested in. They want to reach out to you. How they can get in touch with you?
Well, you'd have to call. My number is 851-7473.
And this is the 876.
Yeah.
And they have some new code now in my ear. 876.
Yeah.
What again?
851-7473.
7473. Miss Celia, what makes Jamaica special? What do you think?
What makes Jamaica special? Jamaica is always special, beautiful and everything. Everything.
Everything we need.
Water.
Everything.
Food.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, to God be the glory. And Purslane. Growing wild. Come on, Purslane. Big up Miss Celia, guys, as she goes. That's it, guys. The common Purslane. It's astounding health benefits. More omega-3 than some fish. Healthy omega-3 because it doesn't have, I'm learning that it doesn't have the cholesterol that some fish has. So this is it. If you want plant-based health. There's another video I think I would love for you to see. And I did that video, 60 medicinal herbs of Jamaica. Did it in St. Anne. It's a popular one and they're one of the most popular one. I need you to see it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. If there's another herb, another plant, another weed, if you're interested in me featuring, tell me, put it in the comments. I would love to consider that. And I'll see you in the next video.